Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong May 20 to 26, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services, extended hanggang May 31, 2024. So, kung gusto niyo mag-book, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Okay, Libra, let's see your overall energy for this week. The Emperor. So, Aries energy ito. You feel like being a leader ngayong week na to. This can be a leader ng iyong company or ng iyong community or ng family. Mas organized ka ngayon. Mas may plano ka sa buhay. You are finally taking responsibility, no, sa mga gusto mong gawin. Let us see your challenge. Ano yung challenge? Queen of Swords. May mga tao na you want to step away from or parang umiwas or parang you want to cut them off your life. Pero parang nahihirapan ka. Yung tipong itong tao na to dapat yung tipong meron kang realization na this person is kailangan iwasan ko na kasi this person is not, giving me peace of mind. But, alam mo yung feeling na ayaw mo ng conflict. Ganon. Kasi, pag iniwasan mo, maaring iisipin nun, maaring that person will take that against you. Let's see your opportunity. Page of Wands. You have the opportunity to explore, be more adventurous this week. Try new things. Yung iba sa inyo gusto nyong subukang mag-travel, mag-isa, no? Solo traveler. To explore other places and to discover yourself. Let's see your blessing. What is the blessing? The 7 of Pentacles. So, ano man yung mga tinanim mo, no? Pwedeng literal na nagtanim ka or anything na you've invested your time, energy, money, effort. This is coming into fruition. Okay? Rest assured na makukuha mo yung dinideserve mo. Makukuha mo yung rewards. Okay? Yung rewards ng iyong pinagtrabahuhan. So, let's clarify what is the Emperor. The 10 of Cups. This is taking responsibility for your family's happiness. Mas nagiging, ka ngayon, responsible for your obligations. Oo. Provider. Yan. Being a great provider for your family's needs. And, parang taking the lead, no? As parents or someone na may family or someone na yung parang head of the family, yung kayo ang breadwinner. Oo. So you are really leading your family, you are serving them, you are giving them, providing for them, giving them what they need. I think mas magsuspend ka rin ng oras at panahon sa family mo this week. Let's see what is the Queen of Swords as your challenge. The Queen of Pentacles. Maaring you may have a challenging situation with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Pwedeng meron kayong magkaiba kayo ng pananaw sa buhay na nagiging dahilan kaya may mga bagay na gusto kang gawin na hindi mo nagagawa or nagiging challenging sa'yo na gawin because of some people na parang pumipigil sa'yo na gawin yan. Let's see, what is the Page of Wands? What is the Page of Wands? The Five of Cups. Okay. Libra, kung dati meron kayong mga isinantabi or parang hindi nyo pinursu dahil may iba kayong bagay na gustong gawin. Alam mo yun, parang, let's say, gusto mong maging singer, pero hindi siya practical nung time na yon. Mas maganda na magtrabaho ka nung time na yon as, let's say, sa restaurant or sa call center. Ito, analogy lang naman, no? Tapos, in the end, you realize na, hindi pala ako magiging masaya pag na magtrabaho sa restaurant or sa call center. Maaring ngayon, you are realizing na meron akong nasayang na oras at panahon. Sa mga bagay na hindi pala ako passionate about. And ngayon, you have the opportunity to pursue your passion. Hindi mo na palalagpasin tong pagkakataon na to. Dahil ayaw mo na magsisi. Ayaw mo na ng meron kang regrets. What is the Seven of Pentacles? You have the Six of Cups. Some of you, there is a blessing of, parang hinihintay nyo na, if you're wanting to have a baby, this can be a blessing sa inyo because the Six of Cups is the energy of a child. And the Seven of Pentacles ay waiting energy. So, as a blessing, maaaring yung hinihintay mo na magkaroon ka ng anak, darating na. Yung iba naman sa inyo, if you are waiting for a reconciliation, pag-aayos sa inyong anak, no? Kung meron kayong anak na hindi kayo nagkakasundo or nagkakaaway kayo or hindi kayo nagkikita eye to eye. So, ngayon, maayos. This can also mean romantic relationship na may magkakaayos. Hindi naman ibig sabihin nito, yung iba pwedeng magkakabalikan. But hindi ibig sabihin na porket kayo ay nagkaayos, magkakabalikan na. Pwede namang magkaayos, magkabate na you don't need to be together again, diba? But this is about being okay again with someone. So, sa money, career, finances, you have conflict. Mag-ingat daw sa iyong makakadeal. Especially when it comes to your finances, sa pera. Pwedeng meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan dito. Yung parang, halimbawa, may binibenta ka. Tapos, akala ng person na yon na binagbentahan mo, may discount siya. Yung pala, late na niya na-avail yung discount. So, magkakaroon ng conflict. So, maganda dyan is, i-disclose mo lahat. May disclaimer ka, may disclosure ka sa mga transactions na gagawin mo. And also, meron kang ayusin sa workstation mo, maglilinis para mas masarap magtrabaho, mas magaan magtrabaho kapag maayos ang workplace mo. Yung iba sa inyo, there is definitely success kung kayo ay nagsisimula sa work, lalo na kung ang inyong trabaho ay may kinalaman sa pagtuturo, pag-share ng knowledge, teaching, coaching, mentoring. So, there is success in your career, your finances, and just in case may bala kang mag-invest ngayon, just make sure na, sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, do not put all your eggs in one basket. So, willing ka na may ipatalo. Okay? Para hindi ka magsisi. So, for your relationship, someone is getting to know you or parang digging about you. Merong person na inaalam kung ano yung mga belief system mo. Kung okay ba kayo. Parang may interest ng person na to sa'yo. Diba? The High Priestess, secretly stalking you. Pwedeng itong person na to is nagkagalit kayo or nagka-problema kayo in the past, may separation, pwede rin. And this person is trying to, check up on you. Na alam niya what's going on, if you're happy, if you're successful. And maybe this person is will try to reach out to you kapag nakita niya na it's the best time, no? Parang tuma-timing. There is an opportunity for you to improve yourself. Improve sa maraming paraan. Pwedeng physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Pwedeng may mga pag-aaralan ka, may mga ipupursu ka, or aayusin mo yung styling mo. The way you look life in a different way. And I think, mas malakas yung loob mo ngayon na magsimula. This can be a new job, a new career. Can be a new relationship. But for some of you, this is about, meron ka mga gagawin para sa sarili mo naman. Okay? Kung dati puro provide ka rin sa iba, para sa family mo, this time, sarili mo naman. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye!